English version, Mathematics Class 5, Chapter 5, Number 9, divided. 2.3 divided by 3. 2.3 divided by 3 equal to 0.76666. Number 2, 4.08 divided by 5 equal to 0.816. Number 3 equal to 0.845 equal to divided by 7 equal to 0.1207. Number 4, 2.954 divided by 5 equal to 0.590.